a very busy Tokyo restaurant eating seafood stir-fried noodles. I'm gonna be here. Then you use this to eat them. Okay, here we go. Put some oil. The seafood. Some carrots, cabbage, seafood, sprouts, sauce over. Making kimchi and pork. Lots of cabbages. Oh wow. It's a lot of work on the cabbages. Wow. So much work. Here's the pork. I think that's the magic. Yay. Oh, thank you. It's ready to eat. Supposed to eat like this. Scoop it. And scoop it. Some people put cheese over it. Many people are waiting outside. There are people upstairs too. I think the secret is to put cheese. Seafood pancake of Japan. You scoop and then you eat with different sauce.